In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change view as default in Outlook. If your inbox looks cluttered or inconsistent from folder to folder, this walkthrough will help you reset things and set up a view that works the same way wherever you need it. Start by opening Outlook. At the top, go to the View tab on the ribbon. This is where Outlook controls how your messages, columns, and reading pane are laid out. If things look off, a quick way to start fresh is to return the folder you are in to its built. In Defaults, click Reset View in the current view group. Then confirm by choosing Yes. This removes custom tweaks for that folder and restores the standard layout, which is helpful before building a view you want to reuse. Remember, views are per degree Fahrenheit older, so you'll repeat or apply them where needed. To set up a custom view as your default layout, stay on the View tab and choose Change View, then Manage Views. Here, you can select New to create a layout from scratch, or pick an existing view you already like. When you create a new one, you'll be prompted to name it and define options like columns, sort order, grouping, and the reading pane. After you've got the view you want and it's active in your current folder, go back to Change View and select Apply Current View to other mail folders. A window will open where you can check the boxes for the folders you want to standardize, such as Inbox, Drafts, or custom folders you use often. Click OK to confirm. This makes your chosen layout the new default for those folders, so they all open with the same consistent look each time. If you simply want to quickly switch styles, Outlook offers 3 built-in templates under View. Then change View. Compact is the clean, mobile-friendly default that shows message previews. Single gives you a traditional list view with more columns visible at a glance. Preview expands the reading pane for a widescreen experience that prioritizes message content. Toggle between them to see which best fits your screen and workflow. If you are using the new Outlook, which runs as a progressive web app, the controls live in Settings. Click the gear icon, go to Mail, then Layout to manage your defaults. The names and options are similar, but they're organized in that Settings panel rather than on the ribbon. That's it. Thanks for watching.